In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default media player in Windows 11. Fixed today. Here, let's begin. To set Windows Media Player as the default app for your audio and video files, start by opening the Start menu and clicking Settings. In the Settings window, select Apps from the left sidebar, then click Default Apps. Under the section labeled Set Defaults for Applications, click the search box and type Windows Media Player. From the search results, select Windows Media Player Legacy. You'll now see a list of file types currently associated with Windows Media Player. Scroll through the available audio and video file extensions and locate a file type you want Windows Media Player to open by default. Click the application currently assigned to that file type. From the list of available apps, choose Windows Media Player Legacy, then confirm the change if prompted. Continue through the list and repeat this process for any additional audio or video file types you want to associate with Windows Media Player. Once you've finished assigning your preferred file formats, close the settings window. Next, locate an audio or video file on your computer and double-click it to test the new association. If the file opens in Windows Media Player, the change was successful. If a file still opens in a different application, return to Settings, go back to Default Apps, open Windows Media Player Legacy again, and update the association for that specific file type. After updating all the file formats you use most often, Windows Media Player will automatically open those media files whenever you double-click them in Windows 11. Keep in mind that the exact list of available file types may vary depending on your Windows version and the media applications installed on your computer. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.